Hello people, welcome to the garden. If you have tomato plants here in late August in Tucson, you may be starting to notice some leaves missing throughout the plants. Some things like this where the leaves are just stripped right off. And in some extreme cases, it may be that way all over the plants. So what's going on is that you probably have tomato or tobacco hornworms that are eating those leaves. And they are the same color as the plant, so they're a little bit hard to spot, but essentially the way to get rid of them, one of my preferred methods, is by going on the hunt and looking for them. So you need to do some investigation and you're looking for signs of those tomato hornworms. And if you just keep on looking around the plant, they might just suddenly stand out at you. And here we have a couple right here, 1, 2. So this isn't going to be your favorite for many of you, but they're completely harmless and you can just pull them off the plant and then you can squish them. I won't show you that part, but that's essentially the way to get rid of these. Another option is to use a bacteria to help you. So if you don't want to touch them and you don't want to go on the hunt for them, you can use Bacillus thuringiensis, BT is what you'll commonly find it. And this is an organic method. You can spray this bacteria on the plant and critters like caterpillars that actually consume the plant will die from consuming that. So a couple different options, but stay on top of it. When you see those leaves missing, go on the hunt, find those tomato hornworms and get them removed. Otherwise, they will strip your plants of all of their leaves. I hope that helps. Happy gardening.